Hey guys, for this video, we're going to check out the Iron Beak VZ Chassis Japan Cup 2026. Let's open the box and let's check out each and every item inside. Okay, let's go! Okay, so let's get started. Now let's first talk about the chassis. This is a VZ chassis made from ABS resin, and the color, it's a fluorescent green yellow. Okay, so next, let's talk about the cowl. This is also made from ABS resin, and color, this is tinted smoke. Okay, there you have it. So very nice looking cowl. And then for the rims, this is a 12 spoke color black, as you can see there, and it's a carbon reinforced wheels. It's a medium size. Let's check out the side. This is narrow wide. Okay, have it. Then next, let's talk about the tires. This is a medium size, super hard, with letterings. It says Japan Cup 2026 Tamiya Mini four-wheel drive. Okay, now next, this will be the internals or the 8 parts. We have the rear portion. We have the rollers. This one is a 40mm rollers. Okay, we have the motor catch, the gear cover, switch, and lock. Okay, then next, now this pack includes a 351 gear ratio. It also comes with a stock motor, single shaft. We have our propeller shaft and wheel shaft. Also, it comes with the battery terminal, screws, nuts, and wheel bearing. Okay. Next, we have the manual, and last but not the least, the decals to make your car look awesome. Things I like about this kit: first, the chassis. I like the color. This is a fluorescent green yellow. Okay. Second, the tires. It's a medium size, super hard, and I also like the letterings, the printed letterings on it. Japan Cup 2026, Tamiya Mini four-wheel drive, and also the cowl. I like the smoke effect of the cowl. I'm not a fan of the decals. The decals looks great, yes, but I'm not a fan of decals. So I might, if I am going to build this for BMAX setup, I will not put any stickers on it. And what else? Now, what I don't like is the rims. The design is nice. It's a 12 spoke, but the downside is that it's a narrow wide. So it will be nice if it's a pure all narrow, which is perfect for speed, but it's not a big deal breaker. Now, this kit is available at any brickyard stores, and it costs around 850 pesos. So that's it for the video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more Tamiya contents. See ya! We are inviting you to visit the Attic Yarn and Hobby Studio in Marikina City and experience a wonderful time building and playing with your Tamiya car. We have daily fun race, time attack, and monthly tournament. Track layout changes every month to make things challenging. I hope you learned something from this video. Stay safe and have fun racing.